Want to feel more confident, more persuasive, and get what you want without being pushy? These 15 psychology tricks are so sneaky, they should come with a warning label. Use them wisely. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's dive in. Backhand index pointing down. When you say, "Could you send that email?" the brain hears a theoretical question. Say, "Please send the email." It's 10x more effective. Be polite, but direct. Want to make someone squirm? Stare at their forehead during a conversation. It makes people feel watched, like they're under a microscope. Ask a question. Then stop talking. Just stare. Silence plus eye contact makes people uncomfortable, and they start talking to fill the gap. Want someone to like you instantly? Ask them to explain something, even if you already know it. We like people more when we feel helpful or smart. Subtle nodding makes others more likely to agree with you. Restaurants use this trick to sell dessert. You can use it to get a raise. Use reverse psychology lightly. Say, "You probably can't handle this." Most people will jump in just to prove you wrong. Distract the focused. If someone's deep in thought or on a call, you can hand them anything or take something from them and they'll barely notice. Works great when you're cleaning or moving. Control drama without a word. If someone tries to start a fight, don't engage. Smile. Say something kind. Or stay silent. It kills their momentum instantly. Motivate the lazy without nagging. Don't say, "Do this." Say, "Start with this." It makes the task feel smaller, and once they start, they're more likely to finish. Trick your brain into waking up energized. As soon as your alarm goes off, sit up and throw your fists in the air like you just scored a goal. Sounds silly, but it shocks your brain into action. Never forget if you lock the door again. Say a ridiculous phrase while doing it. "Pink pineapple locked it." The brain remembers weird stuff better, so you'll actually recall locking the door. Public speaking panic? Own it. Nervous on stage? Admit it out loud. "I'm a little nervous, but excited to be here." It makes the crowd relax, and they root for you. Staring problem? Flip the script. Someone watching you on the subway? Don't look away, look at their shoes. It weirds them out more than you'd expect. Don't blame, reframe. Instead of "You left the window open," say, "The window was left open." The message lands, but without sounding like you're pointing fingers. Fake a good night's sleep. Didn't sleep well? Tell yourself you did. Your brain actually performs better when it believes it's rested. Science backs this. It's called placebo sleep. And if you want more psychology insights that actually make sense, hit subscribe and that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.